In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Shopify to N8N. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the first thing what we need to do is go to your N8N instance and go ahead and click on Create Workflow. Then from here, we need to go ahead and give this workflow a name. So I'm going to call this Shopify. Then also we need to add a first step. From here, you want to search nodes. Now search for Shopify. Here it is here. Click on Shopify and we've got all these different triggers. So choose an operation like get orders, create product, etc. I'm going to do on order update for this demonstration. Now from here, we'll say credential to connect with. Select credential, click on create new credential. Now under here, we've got connect using 3 different ways. So access token, OAuth2 and API key. So choose which one you want to use. So if you use an access token, we need the shop subdomain and access token. If we use an OAuth, we need the client ID, redirect URL and the client secret here and the shop subdomain. Or if we do an API key, put in your API key, your password, shop subdomain, and then go ahead and click on save. And from here, head back. Once you've done this, then we can go ahead and add other nodes if we like, and click execute node or run the whole workflow. Now you're connected. Shopify data can now flow into your automations inside N8N.